A simple dish from childhood. Omuris made with care and love. The sweet aroma of onions and ketchup rice. The joy of breaking into a fluffy omelette. It fills not only your stomach but also your heart. Now as an adult you can pass on the same warmth. Cooking omuris is more than a meal. It is a way to share memories and create new ones. A taste of home that brings comfort and nostalgia. Let's make it together.